Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and the situation on the chart of Euro USD is quite similar to the GBP USD, because after the uptrend or uprun, Euro USD is also standing at the resistance and GBP USD is also standing at resistance. And as we all know, we should sell at resistance and go for buy at support. But here, if you just try to understand the market psychology here, or if you just try to understand the emotion behind the market here, then you see that though market has reached the resistance here, but market is not ready to go down. And for the last 12 hours, market is still struggling. For 12-16 hours, market is still not, the buyers are not ready to surrender yet. So what does resistance mean? Resistance is a place of sellers, whereas support is a place of buyers. So this is us, this is the seller's territory. Okay, this is a seller's place here, and right now market is standing at the seller's home, seller's territory, but the buyers are still not in a mood to surrender. So they are still trying their best to take the price upward, and this is the main reason you should not short the market right now, though market is standing at resistance. But unlike the chart of GBP USD, you can see that I have got many lines here. Okay, so I'll just try to keep the video short because I'll be coming down tomorrow again. I'll be explaining each and everything on detail and the analysis and strategy for the coming week as well. But for Friday, you must understand that the important level, the most important level for the market is this particular resistance here. In your charting platform, you can also draw. Okay, this level is the most important level, and my dear friends, do not short the market until and unless market crosses. Okay, market crosses the previous three candles here. Okay, if you want to know the figures here, let me say. Do not short the market below, only short the market below 1735 level. Otherwise, do not short the market until and unless you see market still struggling near the resistance. Until and unless market forms a big fat red candle, do not short it. Clear? And on the other hand, if market breaks the resistance, okay, yes, there is also a good possibility of market breaking the resistance. If market breaks the resistance, then only go for buy. Okay, only go for buy above this level, this resistance level, and this level is around 1.1758 or 56. Okay, around this level you can go for a buy only. Just keep in mind, if you go for a buy here, then this trend line, okay, this trend line which is acting as a very strong resistance for quite some time, will be the take profit target. So if you go for a buy here, you can exit here. Okay, this will be your take profit target, and you can also short the market here or at 1.1800 level if market reverses. Okay, but today is Friday, market will not be going long, so I will not be explaining in detail, and I do not want to bore you with extra information. So just keep in mind, do not short the market right now until and unless the buyers present in the market surrenders, and on the other hand, only go for buy if market crosses this level. And for confirmation, always use the chart of US dollar here. So this is a chart of US dollar. You can see that dollar is just standing at support. Dollar tried to go up, there was huge price rejection from above, so dollar does not have the strength. Dollar is standing at support, but dollar does not have the strength. In a scenario like this, there is a possibility of dollar breaking the support, and if dollar breaks the support, Euro USD will be going up, and if dollar goes up from here, Euro USD will be going down. So take the decision wisely. If you are shorting the market, just make sure dollar is going up, and if you're going for a buy, just make sure dollar is going down. That's it. So my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website abhilashhajarika.com. You'll find every information. So bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again with the detailed analysis for the coming week. Bye bye.